Have you ever wondered what happens to all that important information gathered during clinical trials, especially after a study concludes? It is a crucial question, reflecting a desire for transparency and knowledge about new treatments and medical advancements. Good news, a lot of clinical study data does indeed become public, mainly because of global regulations and ethical commitments to transparency in medical research. This information becomes accessible through various official channels, ensuring that findings can be reviewed and utilized by the broader scientific community and the public alike. This emphasis on public data sharing is rooted in several key reasons. Firstly, regulatory bodies, such as the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA in the United States, mandate that results from many clinical trials, especially those testing new drugs and devices, be registered and reported. This is a legal requirement to ensure that the public has access to the evidence supporting approved treatments. Secondly, there is a strong ethical obligation within the scientific community to share research findings. Withholding data, whether positive or negative, can hinder medical progress and potentially expose future patients to ineffective or harmful interventions. Public access also allows for independent verification of results, building greater trust in medical science. So, how can you find this information? The most prominent global platform is clinicaltrials.gov, maintained by the United States National Library of Medicine. This registry lists publicly and privately funded clinical studies conducted around the world, providing details about their purpose, who can participate, locations, and important results. Beyond this, many scientific journals requiring study data to be made public as a condition for publication. Additionally, some pharmaceutical companies and research institutions maintain their own public databases or provide data upon request, further contributing to transparency. A key element in this process is the role of an International Committee of Medical Journal Editors, or ICMJE, which established requirements for trial registration even before results are known. This forward-looking approach helps prevent what is known as publication bias, where only positive or favorable study outcomes might be published, skewing the overall understanding of a treatment's effectiveness. Researchers are also increasingly using data sharing agreements and repositories for de-identified patient data, allowing other scientists to conduct secondary analyses and generate new insights. Ultimately, the journey of clinical study data from a research lab to the public domain is a structured process driven by regulatory mandates, ethical responsibilities, and a collective commitment to scientific integrity. This open access ensures that the knowledge gained from clinical trials serves its ultimate purpose: to inform healthcare decisions, advance medical understanding, and improve global health outcomes for everyone.